up, YouTube? It's your girl China, and I am back with another video. Y'all are probably like, girl, you look crazy. But today's video is gonna be on how I install my birthday wig. I'm just gonna basically be showing you from start to finish what I do for an install. I'm not gonna do any plucking in the video because that just takes way too long. If you want a plucking video, I will insert one down below and make one for you guys. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna be installing my wig. So if you're interested in watching this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, I am back. Y'all probably like, China, boo, why do you look like a fucking milk dud? It's because this is like the ugly process, y'all.
Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Okay, y'all, so now that I have it on and I have my baby hairs parted out, we're just gonna go ahead and spray.
Love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. You can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. You can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world. You can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. You can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Y'all, don't mind my face in this clip. I was just so focused.
You can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. You can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your You can't be replaced. See no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is on one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. You can't be replaced. See no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes
Y'all, let's just not talk about how long it took me to get this one baby hair together. Like, I kept having to redo it just to make sure it was good. So don't mind me, y'all. I'm just a perfectionist. So I did end up going off camera to do that one baby hair. So now you see me coming back doing the bottom one. And what I'm just doing is cutting it so it can be shorter and not look so janky over there.
You can't be replaced. See no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
So at this point in the video, I was just wrapping the setting wraps around my edges so that they can sit in place. Then now I'm going to take some Freeze Blast spray and spray my curls so that they don't completely fall out when I comb through my hair. And then, girl, okay, it's giving. And then I'm just going to take my straight razor and I'm going to cut some of the curls a little bit shorter just so that it can give me like a layer effect in my bang area. I didn't want to cut too much of like a layer effect just because I still am going to reuse this wig again. So I didn't want to, you know, chop it all the way up while it's in the side part because I might wear it in the middle part. Who knows? But yeah, I just added some light layers to it.
You can't be replaced. See no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can.
Right here, all I'm doing is just adding a little bit of concealer to my part just so that it can be a little bit more crisp and so it can look cleaner. guys, so that is going to be the ending to this video. I installed this wig. It is from Amazon. It's pretty decent quality and it bleached very well. I'm going to go ahead and put the link to the description in the box below. Again, I did dye this hair jet black so it can just give that sleek, you know, look. I'm gonna start dyeing all my hair jet black. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Y'all, it is my birthday in about a couple of more hours, maybe like 4 more hours, and I'm gonna be 21. So by the time you see this video, I will be 21 already, so don't forget to wish me a happy birthday in the comments below. And the birthday vlog will be coming out directly after. Once I get around to it. I am going to Miami. I'm going to Miami for the weekend, and I'm about to turn up for the 21st birthday. So don't forget to tell me happy birthday, and yeah, see you next time, babes.